Okay guys, today we got a different type of YouTube video. We got an entirely different setup for my Illumiduty here. As you guys are well aware, this is what my Illumiduty looks like right now. We got a package we just picked up. I'm going to show you guys it. And I'm pretty pumped. I've been waiting a little while for these. They were more money than I was wanting to spend, but I figured I'd rather invest in a quality product than something that's garbage and cheap and have problems down the road and have to end up buying the more expensive one anyways. More like, ooh, baby. Oh man, these boys are bulky. Pairs. Oh yeah. Guys, go in the comment section below and try and take a guess of what I'm opening up here. I'd like to see if you guys have any guesses, because I do not think you guys will have any idea unless I put it in the title of the video. But continue with the unboxing here. It's getting exciting. Bunch of garbage. Hell yeah, baby. Look at how big those are. Holy smokes. That is way bigger than okay, I mean, if I would have done some measurements, but holy smokes, is that a big wheel spacer, guys. Cannot wait to put these on. This is gonna be insane. I'm so excited, guys. I'm sure you guys can tell, but holy smokers. That is sick. That's pretty much overkill. These are 3-inch spacers, hub-centric. And these are, surprisingly, they're pretty light. Of course, because they're billet aluminum. But these are probably by far one of the highest quality wheel spacers you can buy. They're pretty expensive, but, you know, cheap stuff usually ain't great quality. So, especially with a 3-inch spacer, we decided we'd spend a little bit more money. And wow, this is worth it. I can't stop laughing because this is actually kind of ridiculous. I didn't think it. I mean, I kind of really think before I bought them, but yeah, 3 inches, that's quite a bit. But yes, so that's what we have here, guys. We have some 3-inch shifted industry wheel spacers here that are going on the 6.7. So. Diesel fumes just chilling in the air. Gonna jack this pig up and get to working on her. Jeez, is she filthy. You guys might think I'm crazy, but putting these wheel spacers on these 24 by 12 American Forces, these things are gonna be sticking way out. But I can guarantee you I'm not exactly that crazy. But I'm starting to get some pretty bad ideas. So I think instead of just getting right into what we were originally gonna do, I think fortunately we are gonna have to put these 3-inch shifted industry spacers on the American Forces, because why not? Be crazy not to, right? We got them here. Might as well see what it looks like. That's the way I'm thinking. But I don't know if I want to show you guys the new setup yet or not. I'll give you a bit of a hint on what the new setup is. I cannot wait to hit a dig tomorrow. I'm gonna get the front of this truck in the air and get right to her. We're gonna start by jacking up the rear first. Give you guys a comparison. Here's how wide it is right now. So it's a little bit of poke, perfect for the street tires. But yeah, that is going to look insane. guys, I cannot get over how filthy the rig is. This thing is filthy. I need to get some mud flaps on this thing, but on the real note, look how nice that front end is. That's my favorite part of this whole entire truck. Honestly, guys, I do not think I missed on this build, except for a cowl hood, which there might just be one lying around somewhere. And aftermarket taillights and third brake light. Again, a guy might have that stuff laying around somewhere. Like I said, might. Yeah, my brother also, he's got a 6.4 Harley Davidson project here. If you guys want to check out his channel and check out this project, I will put the link in the description, probably. Okay guys, now that we have the truck jacked up off the ground enough, we can take the tires off and put the spacers on. She's gonna get a whole lot wider, and you guys will see it within a couple seconds. Got this all sanded off here, it's nice and smooth. Gonna install the wheel spacer. Gonna put some anti-seize on it to make sure this thing does not just seize right to my hub and never come off again. Because eventually, if the Saskatchewan RCMP get her, we're probably gonna have to take them off. You know, now that I have some big boy tires, I'm gonna be jumping this thing. Get good real world testing, right? Because everyone's jumping their Super Duties these days.
Mark does.
Yeah, Mark. Alberta Super Duties. He does a lot of things that I can't afford to do. Dude, I actually do not believe when I loaded these wheels up how much heavier they are than, like, I swear they're heavier than my Forces.
They are.
Way heavier.
Yeah. Yeah, like my
Really?
38s, those things are a ton each. All loose, I definitely pull it off, torque them higher.
But honestly, I'm kind of hoping they fall off. Like, why even check them?
I guess, yeah.
If one falls off bad enough, you only get one chance to lose a tire.
True.
Because you could just be dead.
I mean, if I survived driving around with 3 tight lug nuts per wheel, I drove like that from Oxbow to Weyburn.
If I don't cut this out of the video, actually, I don't even know what to say about this to talk about.
If anybody from...
This is the last wheel spacer. And then we're off to the races, guys. Oh, yeah. There we are. Dang, do I like the look of that. I sure wish it sat like this. Not even gonna lie, guys. I might have to put the rear should sit like this. Oh man, this is gonna look good actually. With the weight. Oh yeah. Once the weight of the truck is on here, this is gonna look perfect actually. I won't even need to put the blocks in or anything. Yeah, this is gonna look country, guys. Well, guys, I think it's safe to say I don't miss ever. I think this looks sweet. Perfect winter setup. Well, guys, it's safe to say, as sweet as the mud graps look, I have no turning. We're gonna have to fix that tonight because it's kind of a problem. See, it doesn't hit this. Well, it's close. It hits this though. Oh boy. Oh, wrecked that already. Yeah, for starters, I'm taking these plastic caps off. And this here, and I think I could maybe get away without trimming my fenders. Okay guys, as you guys can see, we have this plastic piece taken off. It was already rubbed through from my forces, I guess, so whatever. We got the inner mud flap bracket taken off. So hopefully we get a little bit of clearance. I'm hoping, please. But we're gonna see if it re-rub or not now. Oh no. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit that in with the rubber mallet. Uh-oh. Oh, that'll happen, I guess. Ripped it. Well, I guess we might as well cut that off. Well, I guess it's ripped now. Well, it's ripped now. I guess we might as well cut them. Jesus. Okay, guys. We got her marked out. We're ready to cut her. About as good as she gets. I'm just gonna clean up these edges here. Call her good. I'm gonna put a coat of paint on here where paint came off, but be good enough then. Dang, I definitely got aluminum all over my face, but whatever. Good thing we're wearing safety glasses. Better than in my eyes. And just like that, guys, is how you ruin your show truck. Oh my god, my dad's gonna kill me! If he ever finds out I'm dead, guys, my dad bought me this whole truck. Insert epic mud grap edit here.